If your LG air conditioner is running, but the room still feels warm, before you call a technician, try these quick fixes. First, make sure your AC is in cool mode. To enable it, press the mode button on the remote until you see the snowflake symbol on the display. If the room is very hot, turn on jet mode on your LG air conditioner. It runs the AC at maximum cooling for around 20 minutes to cool the room more quickly. If your model doesn't have it, simply set the fan speed to high to circulate cool air throughout the room. Make sure the set temperature is lower than the current room temperature. Otherwise, the AC may not cool continuously. Next, check the airflow direction. Point the louvers slightly upward or turn on swing so the cool air spreads evenly instead of collecting in one area. Now, keep the heat outside. Close doors, windows, curtains, and blinds while the AC is running. Check for gaps around windows and doors where hot air can leak inside. Door draft stoppers and weather stripping can help seal these gaps. I have linked some examples in the description. If your windows or walls receive direct afternoon sun, adding external shades, awnings, or reflective window film can make a noticeable difference. A dirty air filter is one of the most common reasons an AC loses cooling performance. Remove and clean the filter regularly so air can flow freely. If the filter has been dirty for a long time, the indoor cooling coil may also need professional cleaning. If you see ice on the indoor unit, switch the AC off and let it thaw before cleaning the filter. If the ice returns, the system may have a refrigerant leak or another fault. Also check the outdoor unit. Remove any plants, boxes, leaves, or debris blocking the airflow around the outdoor unit. If it's exposed to direct sunlight, providing a shade above the unit can help, but make sure it doesn't block the airflow. If you've checked all of these and your AC is still not blowing cold air, the problem may be internal. Low refrigerant caused by a leak is one of the most common reasons, but a faulty temperature sensor, compressor problem, malfunctioning fan motor, or electronic control issue can also reduce cooling performance. In some cases, the AC may simply be too small for the room, especially during extremely hot weather. Signs of a refrigerant leak include ice forming on the indoor unit or copper pipes, a hissing sound, cooling that gradually becomes weaker over weeks or months, or the compressor running for long periods without cooling the room properly. Refrigerant doesn't get used up, so if it's low, there's almost always a leak that needs to be repaired before the system is recharged. If the outdoor unit isn't running, keeps turning on and off, or you notice burning smells, unusual vibrations, or electrical problems, switch the AC off and have it inspected by a qualified technician. Continuing to run it could cause additional damage. After changing the settings, give the AC about 10 to 15 minutes to stabilize before deciding whether it's cooling properly. I've linked a few AC maintenance products and tools in the description that can help keep your AC performing at its best. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AC tips, error fixes, and energy-saving guides.